I have locked my private document folder. No one can open it. No matter how hard you try, it just won't open. Let's see how you can lock your folder in just 10 seconds. Go to location containing your folder you want to lock. Click on folder location. Then type CMD and press enter. Type CCLS space folder name you want to lock a space. /e space /p space everyone :10. Press enter. That's it. Your folder is locked now. No one can open it. If you want to open it, write the same code you wrote, but write F at the end instead of N. Press enter. Now you can open it. Here's the meaning of code you wrote. Now you know what you are doing. Then blindly following me. Subscribe our channel for new tips and tricks.